in the first few minutes. Well, the first quarter at saka itong second quarter.
Only 3 points so far para dito kay Abay.
Look at that. Just relocating to that open spot. Alam na alam nila eh.
Banquero pushing hard. 3-on-2. CB Torrijos on the right side. Pinalik pa kay Banquero. Now they reset. But Almazan saw himself open. And he bounces on the 3.
Wow. So that's a 15-point lead.
Biglang sumweldo ang abante ng Meralco. 15 puntos na to. With still 8:53 remaining in the second quarter. Timeout muna. 4 minutes a game na lang. Eh yung style ng play niya doon talagang all-out gung-ho eh, no? Kaya kailanganin mo talaga yung pahinga.
Tsaka remember, ang problema always ng Meralco was having a guy who would protect the rim.
Gotta love that Junmar power play. Hodge.
Tamaan na naman siya sa ilong dyan. Tignan mo ito. Dahil hawak agad siya sa ilong niya.
Alam naman natin.
Natamaan niya nung game number 5. Diba hanggang pinahihirapan talaga siya.
Ito,
doon.
Doon natamaan dun sa...
Ating sinasabing 7-time MVP. Baka malapit na to, kailangan natin baguhin. Sanayin ang sarili natin 8-time na, no? Should be the favorite right now to win.
So, nandito San Miguel.
Quinto. Inside, the one-hander.
So even with the zone, nakakapli.
CJ, no.
Ito, atake na naman yan.
Banquero to beats. Look at the big man go!
And that time, mas mabilis siya dito kay Rodney Brondial. He tapped him, but this is that stuff by Brandon Bates. You can see how athletic this kid is.
The 27-year-old rookie throwing it down on the run para dito sa Meralco. Ang inaasahan sa kanya, yung kanyang depensa at yung rebounding. Pag pumupuntos ng ganyan, definitely bonus.